Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today I got another awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store, and this one gets my stamp of approval. The name of it is called BSW Classic C2. So if you didn't like the top 3 digital watch faces that I sent out and you were looking for a nice analog watch face, then this one is it. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. It's going to be dimmed down in a black and white thing, which isn't a bad look at all. Once the watch face is on, I like to look at the index. I love the color. The black background really makes all this pop, and the watch face is geared toward fitness. So you're going to get information like miles walked or ran. You're going to get your step info, battery info, and you're also going to get info on your heart rate information. Now, the data is going to be over here. You got a traditional look with that. Not a bad look at all. Only a couple of these icons are inactive. So if I tap on my step info, it'll bring up my step status for the week. And also if I tap on my heart rate, it'll bring up my heart rate information. Now, if I double tap, I can customize the color theme of this watch face to many, and I do stress many different colors to tie into whatever it is you're wearing for the day, or simply just get your favorite color. All right, with that being said, people, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Don't forget to hit the like button before you leave, and if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.